This is a video explaining and showing the contents of the Spra-rite 4000 sprinkler kit. This kit includes 2 ball drive rotors, a half circle conversion kit, 2 male adapters, a T connector, an elbow connector, a hose thread connector, and 50 feet of poly pipe. You could see the 2 ball driven rotors in the middle. Here they are up close. This rotor has the conversion kit installed already. And here's the other one. You can see the difference between the two. The rotor on the left is the full circle rotor. Both rotors are 1/2 inch thread size. Here is one of the 2 male adapters. These come pre-wrapped in Teflon tape, and these simply push into the connectors. Here is the T and the elbow. You can see how they have metal grips on the inside, which grip onto the pipe or the male adapters. You can unscrew them as shown. Here is the faucet connector. It uses the same connection method as the previous fittings shown, except this adapts it from a standard 3/4 inch hose thread to the poly fitting. Here is the pipe, and as you can see, it is stamped with Spra-rite and E16M1NN. As far as I know, this is a 50-foot roll. Here are the sides of the box. You can pause the video to read the box if you wish. Here's the back of the box. I'll set this on the ground and zoom into each section on the back. Unfortunately, I cannot find the date anywhere on the box, so I cannot get an exact date. I estimate this being from the 60s through the 80s, but I could be wrong. Here are some images of the documents that came with the kit, taken with a scanner. If you have any questions about the kit and its contents, leave a comment on this video. Thank you.